Good afternoon, children. Now we are going to start our next content, the outbreak of revolution. In last topic, we have studied about the role of middle class people. Okay, these middle class people have started revolution in France. So why they have started revolution in France and how they have started revolution in France? All these questions answer we will come to know in this topic. Okay, children, we know very well when Louis XVI was become as a monarch of France. He found all the resources were empty, but he has to maintain all the luxuries of his palace and he has to give salary to the armies and officials so that he has to increase taxes. He has to impose taxes, but without giving any ultimatum to the state general, he cannot impose any kind of taxes on the third group. Okay, so he had called a meeting of the state general because the state general was a political body. Okay, so in the France of the old regime, the monarch did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. Rather, he had to call a meeting of the state general, which would then pass his proposals for new taxes. The state general was a political body we know very well, to which the three states, which already we have studied, sent their representatives. However, the monarch alone could decide when to call a meeting of this body. The last time it was done was in 1614. So, children, on the day 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the State General to pass proposal for new taxes. Okay, so he called a meeting uh, in a big hall in Versailles. Okay, so in this meeting, he called first and second states group. From the first and second state group, sent 300 representatives in that meeting. And as they belong to privileged class, so they were seated in a row facing each other side on. Okay, so but while the 600 members which they belong from third states had to stand at backside. Okay, so third states was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. Okay, but peasants, artisans, and women were not allowed to entry in the assembly. Okay, so these people did not get permission to enter in the assembly. However, their grievances and demands were listed in some 40,000 letters because these people have not get permission to enter in the assembly, so they have written their all the problems through the letters which the representative had brought with them. Okay, so that voting in the state general in the past had been conducted according to the principle that each state had one vote. Okay, so this time too, Louis XVI insisted to continue the same practice, but the members of the third state demanded their voting. How he how be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each member would have one vote. This was one of the democratic principles put forward by philosopher like Rossi. In Rossi, he has written all these things about the politics in his book The Social Contract. In this book, he has written all the democratic principles, right? So when the king rejected this proposal which have brought by the third group, the member of the third state walk out of the assembly in protest because Louis XVI has rejected their proposal. So all the third state groups were very much furious because Louis XVI, it means king, has rejected their demand which they have brought. Okay, they people thought that they are paying all kinds of taxes, but they have not get permission to choose their own representatives. But the representative of the third states viewed themselves as a spokesman for the whole French nation. So after that, 20th June, on 20th June, the member of the third states, under the guidance of the philosopher, they have declared themselves as a national assembly. So next content we will discuss in new topic. Thank you.